Hi, welcome back. So, how many ASL signs can you create with the H handshape? Now, take a minute to think through, okay, on your hands, how many signs can you create? In this video, I'm going to teach you 20 different signs using the H handshape. All right, they're all vocabulary. Now, at the end, however, I'm going to teach you 3 signs that have some cultural implications, some nuance, some meaning to them. So hang on for those, all right? So let's begin. How many ASL signs with the H handshape? Our first one, history. History. There's that H. Boom, boom. Okay, occasionally you'll see somebody move their hand like this, but most often, history. History. Oh. Hey, you. Okay. History. Study your history because it's important. Important. Okay. History. History. Okay, here's our next sign. Again, those H's, and I'm going to be careful with this. You see how my thumb is tucked? You'll see that changes a little bit here, but hurry. Hurry. I've got my dominant hand a little bit higher. Do you see that? Non-dominant hand a little bit lower. Once, twice. Hurry. Hurry. Come on, come on, come on. We've got to hurry and go. Hurry. Hurry. These next 2 signs don't need any sentence to go with them. Right? We have horse. Horse. Now, that's the reason I pointed out in the earlier sign. See my thumb? Okay. Horse. Connecting to my head here. Horse. Rabbit. That H turns around, but that thumb still sticks out. All right, horse, rabbit. Okay, horse and rabbit. All right, here's a weather-related sign. Okay, even I find this sign kind of awkward sometimes. My non-dominant hand below, dominant hand up, thumbs are touching. This is a sign for hurricane. Now make that hurricane go around the eye of the hurricane. Hurricane. Now, if you really want to sign it correctly, see the face and the mouth, the intensity. Okay, this is, doesn't make any sense, does it? Okay, the sign's the same, but the face, again, adds so much. What is this? This is nothing. This is hurricane. Hurricane. Okay, weigh, as in weight, pounds. Okay, my 2 H's, again, see that thumb? That thumb's tucked in on this one. Weigh. Okay, hey, how much do you weigh? That may not be a question you want to ask somebody. Weigh. And think of a scale. That's how that sign should be created, okay? To weigh. All right, weigh. All right, we're going to stay right here tight, okay? We had weigh. Now we're going with soon, as in time. Soon. Soon. Okay? I say, oh, come on, Mom. When are we going home? Soon. Got it? If the little kid asks, hey, Mom, when am I going home? Hey, soon. Soon. Still staying here. Knife. Okay? Dominant hand. H, thumb tucked in. Imagine you're whittling something. If you've ever whittled a stick before, something sharp. See how that edge catches? Knife. Knife. That knife is sharp. We're actually giving you some more vocabulary, right? Sharp. Ouch. It was sharp. That's how you sign that sign. So knife. Knife. All right, here's a sign for innocent. Innocent. All right, 2 H's. Again, watch that thumb. It comes from right here in the chin and comes out. Okay, pronounced innocent. Innocent. So the judge, and you'll see I also included the sign for gavel. Sometimes I'll see judge sign as just the gavel, because this is more to judge the act of. So I threw both in together for you. Okay, judge or the judge himself with his gavel. Pronounce this individual innocent. Innocent. 2 H's. Innocent. Okay, let's head over to the kitchen. Butter. Non-dominant hand, my thumb's extended, okay? Butter, butter. And either way, I've seen this both ways, thumb extended, thumb not extended, butter. But oh, hey, would you like, this is toast, would you like some butter on your toast? Toast, so there's butter with that H hand shape. Okay, egg, egg. 2 H's, see where the thumb is, crack that egg. Egg. Okay, how many eggs do you want? 2 or 3 eggs. Okay, eggs. Okay, this next one's hospital. All right, there's my H hand shape again. Imagine on my left sleeve, because I'm right-handed, a red cross. Okay, hospital. Hospital, the H touches here and makes that cross. I threw a few at you there. Hurry, it's an emergency. We've got to get them. This is go now, fast, throw them almost, okay? Get them, transport them to the hospital. Hospital, there's a lot in that one. Okay, here's cute. Cute, cute. See that thumb again? Cute, oh. You can see how that face so defines the sign. Oh, that baby is so cute. Now, let me add a little nuance here in this one, okay? How cute is it? Oh, cute, yeah, cute. That dramatic one-time pull down, that's the cutest baby I've ever seen. So that's very common in sign language, where you'll have the dramatic single hard is the ultimate of the sign, where multiple things, not so much, okay? Each sign is different. Cute, cute. Okay, this is a 2-for-1 deal, all right? I hope you're getting these. How many of these have you guessed? Fun and funny, okay? Fun, fun. H's, fun. Okay, oh, that was fun. Okay, that ride, oh my gosh, was fun. Off the nose and down, fun. Funny, okay. H hand shape, funny. Okay, oh, that movie was funny. Okay, not that movie was fun. It could have been fun to go see it. But the act itself, okay, funny. Okay, funny and fun. Okay, for you creative types out there, non-dominant hand, thumb extended, to paint. To paint. Now, I'm just using my hand shape here. See the H hand shape? Thumb extended. What kind of painting is this? This is artist, portrait, landscape, Van Gogh, okay, painting. This painting, see the difference? See how the brush moves? See the width of the brush? Got it? Okay, what is this painting? That's to paint a wall, paint a house, construction, to paint. Okay, this is, and watch my face, this is, see, I'm a little tighter, and my brush strokes are finer because the kind of painting this is. Got it? Okay, to paint, but creative painting. Paint. All right, here's one, train. As in going down the tracks, choo-choo, right? Non-dominant hand below, dominant hand above, it goes back and forth. Okay, choo-choo. Right? The train was fast. Fast, right? We'll give you a lot of vocabulary in this video, okay? The train, do you see where my shoulders are up? Man, wow! Okay, the train was fast. That train was really fast, okay? Train. Okay, let's get into the kitchen again. Lasagna. Lasagna. I've also seen it with the bigger noodle, okay? But here we go. Lasagna. You pull the H's away from each other, and can you see that lasagna noodle there? Okay, lasagna. Oh. Your lasagna is absolutely magnificent, delicious. Okay, middle fingers, like you're snapping your fingers. Delicious. Oh, your lasagna was delicious. Okay, one more. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. HH. Okay. Thumbs tucked in. Oh, they're hard of hearing. As pertaining to the deafness, right? Fully deaf, totally deaf, hard of hearing, hard of hearing. Okay, HH, hard of hearing. Okay, so here are the 3 signs I promised at the beginning of the video. I'm going to teach you the vocabulary, but we're going to attach a little bit of emotion and nuance and culture to it, all right? First one. You seen that one? This is used a lot. H-A, which comes like this, okay? An H and an A, but just pull down, ha-ha. Now, what this is, this can be funny ha-ha, all right? It can be sarcastic ha-ha, or it can be, that wasn't very funny at all. Got it? The face defines the sign. So let's start from the beginning, okay? See this? Oh my, you made me laugh. That was so funny. Ha, 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 ha. Got it? Ha, ha, somewhat sarcastic. A little negative there. Oh, wow, wow. Ha, ha, right? Oh, I didn't know. Oh, that really was. Oh, sarcastic. Oh, you think it's funny? Huh? Okay. The third ha, ha is, my face is telling you, you may have thought it was funny. I didn't think it was funny. So 3 different ways, same sign, the face defines. Here's our second one, to tuck into bed. Okay, so a whole sentence, right? Not one word, a sentence. Here's my H, representing a body. Imagine your bed, covers, blankets, quilts. It's cold. Oh, bedtime. Okay, let's get you into bed. Okay, oh. Okay, now if I was exhausted, okay, I would have signed this. If I am blown, I am beat, I have worked all day long out in the yard, digging, whatever you've been doing, right? You are exhausted. This is to be worn out, spent. Oh. See the dramatic? I am going right to bed. I am crashing to sleep. Okay? Going to bed. And here's our third one. This is the sign to label someone. All right? Now, it may not be what you're thinking. Okay? A personality type, a characteristic, an emotion. All right? So if you're saying about me, he is always blank, I might say, you, there's my H. Imagine like a label in a bottle, okay? You think you're gonna label me? That's not gonna happen. You're not gonna determine how I'm going to act or be described or my emotion, so label. Okay, so oftentimes, this thing has a little bit of a negative response. Hey, no, label me? Don't label me. All right, so there you go, more than 25 videos with your H handshake. Hey, how'd you do? I'd be really curious in the comments down below. Did you count your numbers? Like I got 5, 8, 10, 12, and which ones did I miss? I'm sure I did. All right, thanks for watching the video. I'll look forward to your comments. Have a great day.